Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar dipped a slight 0.2% against the yen in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.6% during the session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The gold gained 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.3% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices extended losses as the threat of further interest rate increases and continued Russian crude flows cancelled out demand recovery expectations from China. The Australian dollar wobbled after data showed retail spending took a shock tumble in December and likely dragged on economic growth, trimming expectations for how much further interest rates might have to rise. As the US Securities and SEC lawsuit against Ripple comes to an end, the company has announced a new president. Monica Long, Ripple's Senior Vice President and General Manager, will be taking up the position of President of the company.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US ADP employment change will be released at 13:15 GMT, the US ISM manufacturing PMI at 1500 hours GMT, the Eurozone's harmonized index of consumer prices at 1000 hours GMT. Germany's 10Y bond auction will be released at 10:30 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank manufacturing PMI at 00 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.